Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Wow. Silver is doing it again this morning. More big news for silver. Let's take a look at our gold and silver prices. Before we get started, everybody, happy coffee. Happy. Good morning, everybody. Happy coffee. It is Thursday. One more day to Friday, guys. In this video, we talk about historic prices in silver and gold, guys. Everyone, silver is exploding again. Will it continue? Is it going to drive to 65? Is it going to drive to 70 really soon? Is it going to dip and drop like it did in the 80s? Let's talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. Let's comment, let's hype, and let's share these videos, everybody. We appreciate you very much all over the world. So, hey, happy coffee. Allergies in full blown force this morning. Let me tell you. But the coffee is amazing. So, wow. Let's talk about gold and silver this morning. Gold, everybody, throat clearing issue. I still haven't tried the honey deal. I need to do that. One of the viewers, yeah, you need to do that, SSC. So, gold 42.13.40 this morning. It's actually, it's down, but it's up. It's over 4,200. It's doing fantastic. Had some conversations with some folks yesterday about all of this, and we'll talk about that this morning. Also, later in the video, after our morning updates, we're going to talk about kind of what I think silver is going to be doing. It's historic, everybody. So we will be talking about that. So bear with us after these updates. 62.14 on silver yesterday. Wow. Holy smokes, guys. It's on a tear. Silver is blown out of the bullpen, full out stampede in a thunderstorm, everybody. It's freaking crazy. The green light is in full force on silver and gold today, everybody, so far. And what is it going to do? Palladium, let's go platinum, 1661 it's up $6 this morning. And Palladium is 14.53. It's down $4. What is the gold and silver ratio this morning, everybody? Looks like 67.80. Wow, that number just keeps getting better and better for silver, everybody. It is, golly, we talked about that yesterday in our video yesterday. By the way, it hit well over 2,000 views, and we really appreciate it. The quarterback threw the Hail Mary yesterday, and somebody caught it because that video did great. Thank you so much. Let's make these other ones do the same thing. And yeah, hey, say SSC, go, how about we talk about this or that? We'll try some new things. I'm always willing to try new things. After all, I might be the quarterback, but you're the team guys. Just like in a business, you've got the big guys at the top, and then you got us little guys at the bottom. And, if you don't have your support team at the bottom making all the money for you, okay, same principle, and you don't ask them, hey, how can we make things better? You're going to fail. I'm a full supporter of that. You have to talk to your people. So, off track. So anyway, that's what we do, right? Wow, 67.77 on the GSR this morning. If anybody doesn't know what that is, it's gold to silver ratio. It's how many ounces of silver to 1 ounce of gold. Some of you said yesterday I should have waited before I traded. Well, if you traded at 69 or 70, um, well, maybe, but you can't foresee that. So you still did good. I traded a lot higher GSR for gold, and not at this, that's for sure. So let's move on. Goldbacks, $8.43 or 41 cents exchange rate this morning. They're really good. We're going to be buying some this weekend. Don't forget, we're going to be interviewing our goldback distributor guys. Horse's Mouth right there is going to tell us all about goldbacks, the future of goldbacks. We're going to talk to him about that, what he thinks about the future of goldbacks, how many states are coming on board, the possibility of more continue to come on board. And they are, guys. It's taken off like crazy. Are goldbacks a great investment? I think they are, just like copper, everybody. So let's move on to copper. Copper this morning, we're about almost $5.29 a pound, guys. It's still moving forward. The COMEX is about probably $5.47 on that. If you buy copper, on paper, which that's a great investment too. Try finding a Germania 1 kilo bar and 5 ounce bars and 10 ounce bars and Geiger. Try finding those guys. Not only that, they're flipping expensive. I saw one on Atmex. They wanted $100 for a kilo bar. That, gosh, when I bought them, they were $69. So I call that a good call, just like I have been all this time. So get you some copper too. It's fun. I enjoy it. It's a beautiful metal, beautiful metal. Let's go on to brass. I mean, we talked about this. Going to talk a little bit about some different metals. Brass, $3.20-ish a pound. They have yellow brass at $2.50 a pound. I guess there's different ways to look at this. That's a beautiful metal too. Brass is gorgeous. I mean, we've been using brass all over the world for years. I might have to research that. Man, that's good coffee this morning. I needed it. I actually slept in an extra hour this morning, if you can believe that. So bronze is about they're showing here, it says here about $1.50 to over $3 per pound if it's scrap. So they were talking about that. I read just a little bit up on it. This doesn't include like the minted bronze or brass stuff, the pure stuff. So I mean, we're talking scrap metal. I'm going to have to do a little bit more research on that. So bear with me, everybody. I want to get the best price we possibly can. Let's go to my newest favorite, coffee beans. I told you guys I was going to do this. Okay, $3.70. Let's see, $3.70 to $4.10 a pound, with futures price at about $4.18. So let's hit a high of $4.10 and $4.18 on futures price on coffee beans. It's crazy. I mean, that we've got, here's one in here, Arabica. Okay, there's different types of coffee. Holy smokes. Unroasted, let's see here. Wow. I mean, okay, I don't even want to talk about that. It's getting too confusing. Anyway, everybody, Bitcoin. Everybody's non-favorite, okay? We want to hold our metals, right? We want to hold our silver. Bitcoin's at $90,285. So let's talk about silver once again. we might push this video just a little bit, everybody, but let's talk about everybody's like a little on edge about silver, how high it's going, and should they buy right now. I've had lots of viewers say, hey, should I buy silver right now? Sip of coffee here, guys. And I say, hey, absolutely. I'm not a financial advisor, but I watch these markets heavily, and I can give you advice, but that's all it is. So I say absolutely buy silver, but also hold your silver. Now, I've been talking to some friends of mine that are coin dealers, and they're actually telling their customers now. They're saying, hold your silver. And we know it's really high. Hold your silver. It's going to continue to skyrocket. Hold it. Now's not the time to sell it unless you absolutely have to. So that's some of the advice that our coin dealer is giving our silver holders. They're saying, hey, now's the time to sell. And the coin dealers are saying, no, it's going to go higher. And I believe that also. 2026, I believe, is going to be a big year. This could be a big year by the end of the month for silver and gold, primarily for me for silver. So in 1980, remember that? Do some of you remember the Hunt Brothers thing where they bought up all the silver and they drove the price up, manipulated? It just went crazy. People, it was 40, 49, 50 bucks an ounce, and people were selling all their silver. They're selling sterling silver, 999 silver. They're selling, constitutional, everything they could possibly sell, they sold. And it just went crazy. And then all of a sudden, wham, they pulled the plug. I think the government pulled the plug on them. Some other people pulled the plug on the Hunt Brothers, and they lost billions of dollars. And it was crazy, guys. When you read up on it, go check it out. It was a crazy time. And then it had a long, long decline from the 80s all the way through the early 2000s. And then it rose up one good, hard, solid hit again in I think it was 2011. Silver jumped way back up there again. Okay. So I know a lot of you that have been stacking silver for a long time saw some of this. So you're expecting it to happen again. We rallied in the 2000s, and then we hit 2020, 2024, and then 2025, and we've shot up in a massive surge in 2025. But guys, I think things are different, and I think it's historic. Things are different than it was in 1980 and 2000. The industrial uses of silver have skyrocketed. Things are much, much different. There's a lot more use. We've got electric cars. We've got solar. We've got, we have just increased our demand for silver every year with technology. So it's different than it was. So could there be a huge dip in silver price? Maybe there could be. I don't think there will be, because it's different than it was back during the Hunt Brothers era in 1980, especially where they had a $30, $40 drop in silver price. It's not the same because we have industry to support prices. So guys, buy some silver. I don't think that we are going to have some dips. Okay. It's just going to happen, but I don't think we're going to have those giant drops like all of you are expecting that have been stacking for years and years and years, because times have changed. Things are different. Industrial use is different. It's not the same as it was. It's much more. They use silver much, much more. Happy coffee to that one, right? So we're going to be talking about in the upcoming updates, maybe tomorrow, about silver future price in 2026. I'm getting serious about this. So we're going to talk about this, guys. Let's go back over our gold and silver prices right now, and then we're going to get ready to go to work, drink some more coffee. 42.15 on gold, 62.18 on silver. It's going up, guys. It's going up. Wow. I mean, 58,961. What did it go up? $4 an ounce in the last couple days? I mean, come on. It's a no-brainer. Buy some silver. We did. And I don't care if we paid a higher premium for it. It's going to go up. That's my opinion. 1662 on platinum. It's up $7, everybody. Palladium's still at 1455. It's down a little bit. What's our GSR once again? 67.79. So silver is still the winner in this metals game, everybody. I just recommend silver. That's me. When it comes to the gold and silver, I love gold, don't get me wrong, but silver, to me, it has a lot more room to grow. It's way undervalued. Percentage-wise, you're going to profit way, way, way more on silver than you are on gold. Gold's just a bigger number. Everybody says, no, buy gold, buy gold. That's true. Buy gold, okay? Gold's steady like this. So you can take all those silver profits, invest it in gold so it just sits there and holds. But it's kind of like your 401k. You want your 401k to grow, right? You don't want it to just sit there and hold. So it's volatile right now, but I think it's worth the risk in its volatility. And I buy some silver. So SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America, guys. Happy coffee. Happy Thursday. We're almost to Friday. Thanks for watching all over the world, everybody. SSC, United States of America, Oklahoma. I'm out, guys.